Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to create reverse effect in CapCut. So guys, to do this process, of course, first thing is just simply open up your CapCut application into your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and select new video and tap on it, and now it will open up your gallery, and of course just simply select a specific video that you want to add the effect of the reverse to. Just simply select add at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, guys, as you can see, of course, just simply cut your video and make your edit and do all of the necessary things that you might want to do to your specific video. Now, once you are done, just simply select a specific clip that you want to apply the effect with. So, guys, to have the reverse effect, you just simply scroll to the left side over here, and now you should be able to see here reverse. So there will be a lot of options over here. And as you can see, you will have the reverse tab over here. And as you can see, once you tap on it, you should be able to reverse the clip. And this will be depending on how or what is the length of your video. And since I have 1 minute video over here, it will take some time to reverse it, and CapCut will do the job for you. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.